Hello! Today we're going to talk about uploading syllabi to RenWeb. Now I've logged into RenWeb and I want to double check up here that I'm in the right semester. So this says 2018-19 fall. That is this current semester that I'm in right now, so that is correct. If it's wrong, you can click on it and then choose the right semester that you want here. So if you're still in the old one, you can fix it there. Okay, I'm going to go over to my little hamburger or my horizontal lines and I'm going to pick classroom. I don't want to see all of these classes, so I'm just going to click my classes up here in the corner and then choose the class I want to upload the syllabus to. The automatic default is to go to the attendance tab, and there is no class today, so that's why that's not there. It doesn't really matter, but once I click on the actual day, it'll show me my students in my class. I'm going to click on the attendance button and go all the way down to web items, and then on the left here is a syllabus button. It's going to give me two text boxes. I'm going to label this 18-19 Anatomy and Physiology syllabus, and then I have this big empty box. I'm going to go back to Google Docs where I have my syllabus typed up. I'm going to select all of that, and I'm going to copy and paste it. So I hit Control A, which is select all, Control C, which is copy. I can go back over here into my text box, and I'm going to paste it in here, and here are all the information. So it doesn't have the bolding or anything, but it did keep all of my other formatting here. So if you have little edits you want to make, no problem. You can edit it in this box and make it look the way that you want it to. And then you're going to hit save, and you'll see it appear on the left-hand side. Do not hit global because that will copy this syllabus to every class that you teach. So that's there. If I ever need to go back and fix anything, I just hit edit, and I can change whatever I need to. Now that this is uploaded here on web items, families can see that as they log into RenWeb on the parent portal. So you can also put other kinds of information here if you want to, and it will show up there, but syllabus is what you want. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.